Quick tutorial on how I make my real good Jiffy honey cornbread. So I put the Jiffy in there with some milk and some butter. So I haven't added the butter yet. Melted. Alright. But I'm going to add some brown sugar and some honey. Adding a little bit of brown sugar if it comes out. Right. I only use one box, so I'm not putting a lot. And some honey.
Don't record me.
Now she coming.
Don't record me, mama. Come on.
Let's do this. Oh, and we added 1 egg. So we're making chili bowls. So I'm gonna just at least get 5. Pop those in the oven.